Hello guys. So this is a quick video seeking your response on my plan on launching a free test series. So here is the plan. As some of you might already know, we recently launched the TVM test series in which we conduct 4 VARC sectional tests every week, followed by live class analysis discussion. Now the plan is to make one of these 4 tests open to general public, that is unenrolled students, unenrolled learners, for free. There will be no provision of live class for unenrolled students, for non-students. However, you will get access to recorded live session. So it is at least as good as the live class. Only that you will not be able to ask your individual doubts. However, most of the doubts automatically get resolved because the live recorded, it is a recorded live class. So assuming that some doubts are common to many students, if not the most of the doubts will be covered. So basically, one VARC sectional test every week, along with recorded video explanations for free for you unenrolled candidate. This is my plan. Additionally, you get to write these tests on cat-like interface, and you get access to detailed analytics. I strongly believe that writing tests only leads to diagnosis of a problem. It does not lead to its resolution. So increasing the number of tests is of no use until and unless you engage in sufficient analysis. Therefore, the analytics of our interface, the interface that we use, will help you hopefully identify your specific pain points. For example, the type of question that troubles you the most, on which you have the least accuracy, the type of question that eats your time, the most time, the time that you spend on reading a passage, preliminary reading of the passage. So all these points, some of which will be your pain points, specific pain points, will help you give, we will help you take some action. They will provide you with some actionable insight. That's the hope. Okay. Now, what can you expect from this free test series? Guys, we have some really brilliant students enrolled with us. So you can expect a good level of competition. Ranking among these students will give you a fair idea of where you stand. Also, one thing you can be certain of, you will get quality content, quality questions, quality passages. Guys, every question that we create or source goes through double checks, thorough modifications, and multifaceted analysis of every answer choice to make it corresponding to actual CAT. I have personally put in my 13 years of experience, CAT experience, into selecting and setting these questions. And I use CAT past year questions as benchmark. These questions, the content, the mock test will correspond to the patterns that emerge upon a thorough analysis of past CAT papers. Besides, detailed discussion of every answer choice helps learners identify the error patterns and develop a right approach over a period of time. I'm saying a right approach. I'm not saying the right approach, because there's no shoe fits all. So hopefully it will help you develop a right approach. Now, in words of my enrolled students, the live classes or the discussion of every answer choice is the unique selling point of this test series. That is what they have to say. So this is what you can expect to gain out of the free test series. Now, what do I expect in return? Guys, here is the thing. Our test will remain active on our portal for a week. But I want minimum 200 test takers to write these tests, or I stop the free test series altogether. I repeat, I want a minimum of 200 test takers to write these free tests, or I stop the free test series altogether. This is the condition that I am putting on you. Understand it better. Any test for which the number of test takers falls below 200 in the week's window will be the last free test to be released by TVM. Why is this condition there? You may ask. Guys, just as you gain some from this free test series, so do I expect some gains in return. I'll be blunt and honest about it. I, for one, want to broaden my reach. I am being totally honest. I want to broaden my reach. I want more aspirants to know about the quality of content that TVM offers. So simply put, I want you guys to spread the word about this test series and TVM in general. I am being open about it. It won't take much of your time. Just a message, just a little nudge to some of your friends who are preparing, a response to a question posed in one of these 1,000 groups. When someone asks about quality content in verbal for CAT, that is only if you like the content yourself. So this is what I want from you. I want 200 test takers. This is the condition. The moment the number of test takers falls below 200 for a particular test, that will be the last test to be released by TVM. I have made it abundantly clear. Second, and more importantly, I want 200 test takers so that my students have a realistic assessment or realistic idea of where they stand. Right now, I have under 100 learners, just under 100 learners. Ranking among 100 is one thing, and ranking among 300, 400 test takers is another. So I do not expect 1,000 students to write these tests. That would be too ambitious for now. But a pool of 300 students will give a fair estimate to my learners in terms of where they stand. So just as you have some benefits from this free test series, you get to compete with some of the best minds writing CAT this year. You get to understand your pain points. You get to watch me almost live in action, though not live technically, but live in action, because it will be a recorded live class. So so I also want some benefits in return. Spread the word. Tell people that this test series is free. Only if I get 200 test takers will I continue this test series. This is one thing. So the hope is with the at least 200 more test takers, hopefully good ones, my students will have either a realization of their inabilities or an increased sense of confidence in their abilities. Either of two will happen. It is likely to happen. So the question is, would you be interested in this test series if I were to launch one? If yes, Please show your interest with a comment on this video. If I get at least 100 responses here, I'll assume that some of you will bring more students to write this test series. So I'll launch this test series soon, possibly tomorrow. One KitKat will be released. But you'll have to show your interest first. So I'm being open about it, because if the response is lukewarm, I am not going to, because it does not serve my purpose, nor do my students get to learn more about themselves than they already know. Nor do I get to benefit from this test series, nor do I broaden my reach. So I'm not going to take this extra pen. So only if I get some response, some enthusiastic response on this video, am I going to launch this test series. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.